when I took over this position, Baker University essentially contracted out to those organizations to take over the management of this site. And that means a lot of things and opens up a lot of opportunities for an entity like Baker University that wouldn't normally have those kinds of connections to the conservation community. So Ducks Unlimited is the leader in wetlands conservation, and they kind of have a reputation as being very hunter specific, but when we think about them diversifying kind of their landscape portfolio, they're also into conservation easements and permanent protection for properties, as well as properties where hunting isn't involved or allowed at all, like Baker Wetlands, right? KAWS, Kansas Alliance for Wetlands and Streams, is very tied in to the whole conservation landscape of Kansas. And so those two organizations banding together to say, hey, we're going to bring in a manager who can bring our expertise in grant writing, in conservation connections, is really important for this site. So I have a lot of tools in the toolbox and a lot of people I can contact for just making general connections in the conservation community or fundraising that someone coming in specifically from Baker University wouldn't have. And so it opens a lot of doors.